Another one on the spinnerbait, guys. Oh, baby. I caught a pound bass, bro. Oh my God. Oh. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of On Real Fishing. I'm Logan. We are gonna get the boat in the water right now. First day of legal fishing in Michigan again. They lifted the ban. Thank the Lord. We can fish. I'm out here just gonna drop the boat in, trying to get a little bit of fishing in. I've been grinding at the bit, trying to get out here. I'm just gonna go out here for a little bit, try to get on a little bit of a bite. It's been cold here for a while, so we'll see. Ladies and gentlemen, another one on the spinnerbait, guys. A nice chunky, I say 2-pounder. I thought they were done biting. Yeah. Let's go. This little baby shed Strike King spinnerbait with the trailer hook. Bada boom. I'm just throwing it up along these weed lines right at the drop off. It's a nice steep 3-foot drop off. That one just smoked it. Oh, baby. Oh, this one's huge, guys. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Holy shit. You guys. It's barely hooked. Are you fucking kidding? Trailer hook, skin hook. Oh my God. Oh my God, let's get a weight. Let's get a weight. Oh my God. 514. Oh my God. Oh. Look at this fish, guys. Holy sh! Oh my God! Oh my God, bro. Calling Jake right now. Yo, dude. I just caught a 6-pound bass. Do you hear me? Nope. I caught a 6-pound bass, bro. What? A 6-pound bass. 6 pounds? 6 fucking pounds, bro. Is that the picture you sent me? No, it's a different one. Oh, I'm shaking. I don't know what to fucking do.
You should take pictures of it and get the like exact measurements.
That's what I'm gonna do, dude. Holy shit, this thing is huge, bro.
Damn it, I wish I was there.
I know, right? I wish you were too. At least I'm filming too when I caught it. I was filming.
Nice.
Fuck, alright, man. I just want to let you know.
Well, fuck you.
Dude, they're fucking pigs out here, bro.
I hope the boat crashes.
Oh, shit. Alright, man. I'll talk to you later. See ya.
Lights, camera, mayonnaise. Ow!
Oh my god. Welcome back. So,
Dipshit over here caught his personal best.
6 pound bass.
5.14.
6 pounds. As you can see, I'm not on the water anymore. I went to release the bass and my battery is low on my GoPro. And when your GoPro battery is low, apparently you can't film.
It dies previous to it actually die. It stops recording previously to it dying.
So yeah, this is where we're at.
This is our little outro for you. We wanted to say, hello. Sorry for the absence.
He's never here anymore.
Well, dude, filming videos is fun and all fishing is fun, but editing is fucking pain in the ass, dude. And also, I don't know, filming and editing kind of takes away from the fun of fishing a little bit. It turns it into a job. It used to be a pet, like something to get rid of the stress.
That's the point of this. So
the stress. But hey, here's the thing. It would really make us feel like you appreciate the videos. It would really make me inclined, I want to do more videos. If you would go and share the video, like the video, comment, do anything to just help me feel appreciated.
Spread the word. Just like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
We've been at the 93 subscriber mark for a long time. I haven't been pushing to get it to where it needs to be.
Let's get to 100.
Let's get to 100 within this video post. It should be
10 subscribers.
Every video.
5.
So. We make decent content. We don't catch the biggest bass, being northern Michigan fishermen. Well, we're not Florida fishermen.
We don't live in Texas.
We don't live in Texas. We're not catching 10-pound bass, 7-pound all year long because we're limited. But during the winter, we give you guys good pike fishing videos, ice fishing videos, catches and cooks. Sometimes if depending on the weather, I guess. But so anyway. Do us a favor, like, subscribe, share this video, and if it gets 25 likes, I'll put such a minimal thing. If it gets 25 likes, I will make another video every week for the rest of the summer. And if we can
2 videos.
And if no, let's leave them hanging a little bit. if they can if the subscribers can up that to 75 likes per video, I will give you guys 2 videos a week because you guys like the videos.
The more likes, the more videos.
I know you guys will like the videos. All you have to do is come by and watch them. Thanks. Bye.
Oh, that was a rant. Catch you in the next episode on Real Fishing.